Want to free up space in your Google Drive? I will show you how to do it quickly and easily. Watch until the end, you will get a helpful tip on how to better manage your storage. So first guys, open the Google Drive app on your Android device and afterwards tap the Files tab just right there in the bottom right corner of the screen. Find the file or the folder you want to delete and click on the three-dot menu right there. Scroll all the way down, click Remove, and again move to Bin. So remember, files in the bin stay there for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. Now your files are in the bin and you have freed up space in Google Drive. Also, do not forget to also go to the bin section in the menu right there and click the bin, and again select empty the bin to permanently delete the files. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That motivates me to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.